Mairéad Farrell.
De chean chóirle agus bála mo chóirdeachas a gá Laighin as bheith a tufa inniu. Is mór an anna rute agus is mór an anna chumhéin a bheith tufa mar heachtadála go gáile agus go bhío. Agus bhála mo bhuíochas a gá lob siúd a cha bhótagam agus iad siúd a thug cabhargam le linn an bheachtas. Agus is é seo chéad dúr nuí chumhéin a bheith glabhairt sa seomra seo. Agus is privilege é rom an óráid seo úsáid le mo chud tacaíocht a thuirt go amnúchan mocho glachaí Mary Lou McDonald mar Taoiseach. It is a huge honour for me to use my maiden speech to give my support to the nomination as Taoiseach of Mary Lou McDonald. But it is not only an honour for me, to me it is also a necessity. A necessity for all those who have had enough, a necessity for those who have suffered for far too long under the politics of the haves and the have-nots. We need a different type of politics and we need a different kind of Taoiseach. A Taoiseach who will put the ordinary person front and centre, a Taoiseach who understands that a society that can't house its people or take care of its ill is not functioning correctly, and who understands that this has been a result of political choices. To me, that Taoiseach is very clearly Mary Lou McDonald agus tá súlam go nairóí le hí a nacht. Gur míle mágaí.
Gur míle mágat, níos an teachta